So in this video, we are going to be making some cake for my dad's birthday. We're going to take some icing and some cake and go and make some for my dad's birthday. Let's go. Start off with 3/4 cup butter. And then 1 1/4 cups sugar. Just spoon that in there. We are starting with our cake recipe. And then you're going to just dump it all in there, spoon it in. And then your salt, just do salt to taste. And then 3 eggs. Just pour them in there, just crack them in there. Then do 2.5 tablespoons of baking soda and 2.5 cups of flour just into your mold. Just into your mix. Just pour it in there. Make sure you push your sides down. And then you want to do 1 cup of milk, just right in. Then mix it in. It should look something like this. And now you just want to take your mold and just butter it up with some butter. Melted butter is good, but you could also use just like frozen butter. Just wipe it all in. And then when it's all in there, you can take a little bit of flour, pinch it in there, and then you just want to get it all around the sides so you can actually pull your cake out without destroying it. And then take your mix and then just spoon it in there about 3/4 of the way up, and that's your cake. While that's in the oven at 375, you want to take 2 cups of butter for our buttercream frosting, and you just want to cream it in there. And then you want to take 1.5 cups of powdered sugar and just spoon it in there. It will make for a very, very nice frosting. And then you want to do 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. Just pour it in there. And then it should look like something like this so far. Just nice and creamed in there. That's your buttercream frosting. Look how my cakes came out. They came out really good. So I wanted to be really exact on how much buttercream I was putting down, so I took a scoop and just scooped it twice into there, and then I molded it into like very flat. And then I put chocolate chips, semi-sweet chocolate chips, in the middle of it because my dad really wanted that for his birthday cake. And then I just put the top on. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna bit it all the way all over the cake. I'm just gonna spread it all over the cake. All you gotta do is just spread it all over the cake, just like this. And mine looked like it looked really good. It looked like this at the end when I was spreading it. I thought it looked pretty good, to be totally honest, because of the frosting. It was good. And of the chocolate chips in the middle. Not gonna lie, this looked and tasted really good. It was very light and airy inside. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.